How to share someone's Instagram stories to your story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. So just make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Also make sure that you logged into your account, after which tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen, because normally you get to share someone's Instagram story only when you are mentioned in their story. So whenever you are mentioned in someone else's story, you'll be notified in the DM section. So as you do that, you can just tap on the DM section or on the notification section. So I'm going to see here in the DM. So it says mentioned you in a story. So here it will give you the option of add to your story. So tap on add to your story. So as you tap on add to your story, you'll be able to add the other person's story to your story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.